Hey, this is Yash Mukashi, and in this tutorial, we are going to see the introduction of Fusion 360 software. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you how to get access of this software. So for that, you just have to open your browser. I have Chrome, so I'm going to open it. So open the browser and then just type Fusion 360 free download and then hit enter. These links will open and you just have to click here on the Fusion 360 for personal use, this link, and it will open the Autodesk website. Just click here on sign in. If you don't have the Autodesk account, just create one and then sign in to the this website, and then you will see this option download now. Just click on it. It will download the execution file of that Fusion 360 software like here, and just double click on it. Okay, it will automatically download all the extra data and install the software. Once you install the software and open it, it will look something like this. So this is the basic user interface of the Fusion 360 software. So this is the design workspace where you will create 2D and 3D sketches. So this is where the real magic happens. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the introduction to the user interface of this software. So we will start with the application bar. At the top, you will see this is the application bar. Okay, and the first option is show data panel. Just click on it and it will open this window. So basically, this is the data panel of this software where you will create and save any projects, any designs. So it's like a file manager in your computer. Okay, it's a cloud-based software. So once you save any design, it will save into the software and as well as on the cloud, which is provided by Autodesk. So don't afraid, you will never lose your data. And if you want to get that data into the other machine or into the other PC, just log in and it will automatically sync that data and you can see the design on that PC as well. Okay, so here you will see I have created the projects. If you want to create a new project, just click here on the new project and type a name just like this and hit enter, and the project will create. Okay, if you want to open the project, just double click on it and you can see there are files. You can also manage the file here. If you want to create a new folder, you can create a folder like this and hit enter. Again, just double click on it and you will see these are the files which I have created earlier. These are the designs. Just double click on any design, it will automatically open into this canvas section. Okay, just wait, it will automatically sync the data and open the design. Now just close this data panel. You can see this is the fan I have created for my client. So now I'm going to tell you how to navigate into this software. So if you want to just move the design, okay, just press your scroll button on the mouse and just drag the mouse. Okay, you can see the design is moving into this workspace. If you want to rotate the model and see all the side, just press the shift key and press the hold the scroll button from your mouse and just drag the mouse. Now you can see the design is rotating in the canvas section. If you just want to zoom in and zoom out, scroll in and scroll down. So that's how you can navigate into this Fusion 360 software. Next, after the data panel, there is a file menu where you will create new design, new electronic design. If you want to open any design from your PC, you can open it. If you want to upload the design in the cloud, you can upload it from here. Also save as, export the design. Here the 3D print option is available, and share the design. So this is the file menu, and next to it there is the save option. It's a shortcut. Then undo and redo to revert the current actions. And here you will see this is the rendering keyshot 10. This is actually this is the extension which I've added to jump to the other software. Then here you will see the name of this design F5 and with version V1. Okay, if you want to close this design, you can click here on the crossbar. If you want to open a new design, just click here on the plus icon. It will automatically open the new design. I'm going to close this for now. Next to it, there is an extension option where you will add extra extension for this software. Then there is the job status. This will show the status of any action you have performed, like for the generative design, simulation, etc., etc. I'm going to close it for now. Then there is a notification center where you will get the notification of updates, software updates, as well as the completion of the job. Okay. Then next to it, there is a support and diagnostics option. If you have any problem, you can get support from here also. Then there is a Autodesk account profile and a preferences setting. If you click here on the preferences, this window will open. So from this is the basic general settings. If you want to optimize for your graphics card, you can do this from here as well. Just I'm gonna close this, and after that, after the application bar, you can see this is the toolbar. Okay, next to it, this is a toolbar, and the first option here you will see this design. Here you can change the workspace. So this gives you flexibility to change the workspace. Now we are in a design workspace. If you click here on a render workspace, it will automatically change the workspace and change the option as well. Now you can see we are into the render workspace where you will get the photorealistic rendering of your product. If you want to get idea before manufacturing how it looks, you can create a render, and again you can, if you want to change the design, you can do it accordingly. Now you can see the toolbar is also changed. So basically tools in the toolbar will differ according to the workspace. Okay, so for now I'm going to change it to the design, and here you can see there are also so many different tabs available: surface, mesh, sheet metal, plastic, utility. So it's a domain specific tab. You can create a specific domain design like plastic, sheet metal, BIW, like this. So these are the commands also differ in each tab. Okay, if you click here on a create drop-down menu, you will get these extra create commands. Then these are the modify commands, assembly commands, construct command, inspect commands. So likewise, these are the commands which will help you to create a design, modify design. Okay, after the toolbar, you will see this is the browser. So it's like tree, okay, which will contain all the bodies, components, sketches, construction sections and joints, as well as the unit of this design. You can change the unit from here as well. And next you will see this is the canvas section. So basically this is the canvas section where we'll create all the 2D and 3D sketches. If you right click on the canvas section, you will see this is the marking menu. Basically you will get all the shortcuts in the marking menu. You can use it. Next to it, at the right hand top corner, you will see this is a view cube. Okay, if you want to get any particular view like back view, you can click here and the design will automatically set out according to that view. If you click on it and just drag it, it will rotate, so it will help you to navigate. Okay, if you click on this home icon, it will set to the default position of any model. If I want to get a top view, just click here and you will get the top view. So like this, you can use the view cube. If you want to change the perspective, just right click on it and you can change the view just like that. Again, just right click on the home icon and set it to the orthographic. It will help you to create a proper design. Okay, after that, here at the bottom, you will see this is the display settings, and if you want to change the display setting, like if I click here layout grid, you will see the grid will automatically on, and just click on it, and if you don't want it, you can hide it also. If you want a multiple view, just click here and you can see the different kinds of view will separate in this 4 section. Again, if you want to change it to the single view, just click here and you can get the single view here. Then if you want to change the display style, visual style, like here, if I click here on the wireframe, you will see now we can see throughout this design. This will help you to create complex design, understand complex design. Okay, and if you change the environment setting to the dark sky, the total canvas will turn into the dark. Again, if I click here to the photo booth, it will back to the white space, and change the visual style to the shaded with visible edge only. So this is how you can change the display settings. And at the bottom here, at the bottom, you will see these are the this is the timeline So basically, whenever you use any command, it will save into the timeline. If you want to edit it, just double click on it, and then you can edit the design. So that's how you can use this user interface to create the design. Okay. So if you ask me, this is the best software which I have ever found, because I have tried almost 15 to 16 software, and I can tell you one thing, that this is the best user interface. It's very clean, flexible, and easy to use. If you are beginner in a product design, if you want to learn CAD, so I recommend that start with the Fusion 360 software. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.